Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Up. Today in this video, we'll walk you through the topic how to buy Target gift card online. At first, open a new tab on the browser, then open Target website. Then on the search bar, type Target gift cards. On this page, you can select a desired gift card design. Click on Add to Cart. Here, select a delivery method. You can also select a value. You can even select custom value. You can also select the quantity of gift cards. Now click on Add to Cart. Now you can proceed to checkout. Here, click on Checkout. To make the purchase, you need to enter the credentials and click on Place your order. The gift cards purchased online can be delivered through email or mail. And that is how you buy Target gift card online. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more.